Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to download your Instagram Reels. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to download your Instagram Reels video in your gallery, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app, select any one of the reel. Here in right side you will find share icon, tap on that. In bottom you can see here copy link, just click on that copy link. Open your Chrome browser, tap on this search, then type here Finsta, Finsta. Just tap on the search. Here you can see the first website, just tap on this. Here you can see here paste valid link. Here you have to just click on that, then paste the link, then tap on search. Scroll down, here is the video. Below that you will find the server name, download server 1 or download server 2. You can select any one of them. Just close this ad. As you can see, the reel has been downloaded. It will directly save to your gallery. That's it guys. So in this way you can download Instagram Reels video in your phone gallery. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.